Hey everybody, Nick here, also known as the Bearded Housewife, and welcome to the very first video of Back to School Week. Today I have a really cute insert card for you. This is my Back to School insert card. How fun is this design? You have that really fun font, you have the pens and the pencils, the school book, all kinds of stars, and a magnifying glass. Just a really cute design. Spot on the inside for your message, and of course I include an envelope as well. Just like all of my insert cards, these can be made on any Cricut cutting machine, ranging from the Cricut Joy all the way up to the Cricut Maker 4. They're super fun to put together, and I can't wait to show it to you. Before we get started, make sure to hit like and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any card making fun. And with that, let's get into the materials. For this project, you're going to need your Cricut cutting machine, your light grip or standard grip cutting mat, a scoring wheel or scoring stylus, a Cricut pen, a weeding tool, a scraper, brayer, glue and adhesive, and your cardstock. Now that we know what materials we're going to need, let's go ahead and get started with step 1. Step 1. Get the SVG cut file. This project is part of Back to School Week 2025. If you're watching this video during the event, you can find the download button on the event page. If you're watching this after the event has finished, you can purchase the individual cut file in my shop at shop.thebeardedhousewife.com, or if you're interested in all event files, commercial licensing, printable worksheets, and bonus cut files, make sure to check out the VIP Access Pass. Links for both of these options will be in the video description below. No matter how you download the file, make sure to download the zip file to your computer, unzip the file, and then we'll be ready to open up Cricut Design Space. Step 2. Upload the design to Cricut Design Space. Now that we have a new project open in Cricut Design Space, we can go ahead and click Upload, Upload Image, and Browse. Find where we downloaded the file onto our computer. Click Open, Continue, and Upload. Step 3. Convert score lines and any text. Now that our project has been brought into our canvas, we can ungroup the design. We have some converting to do to some of the score lines, so let's find the envelope and click on this icon to drop down the layers. Highlight this top layer. Come up to the operation menu and change that to score. Highlight the group and attach. And now we need to do the same thing to the card base. Click on that icon, highlight this top layer, come up to the operation menu and change that to score. This second layer is going to be what we want the machine to draw. So highlight that layer, come up to the operation menu and change that to pen. You can change the color here if you wish. Highlight the group, and attach. Once those pieces have been converted, go ahead and click Make. And you can see the mats for this project. Click Continue. I'll be using a variety of medium weight cardstock for this card. I'm going to go ahead and get everything cut out, and I'll see you when it's time to assemble. Step 4. Cut out the design. Step 5. Assemble your card. Okay, so I have everything all cut out. It's time to go ahead and start to assemble. The first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to fold and burnish the score line here on the card base. I'm going to go ahead and open up the card, take the inlay panel, and feed it through the little slits here on the card base. And there is our card. I'm just going to set that to the side for a minute. Let's take our envelope. For the envelope, we're going to fold and burnish along the score lines. Take our inlay panel, add glue along the outer edge of the inlay. Flip the inlay over, place it over the cutout on the envelope flap. Spin the envelope around, fold those side flaps in. Add glue to the bottom of the side flaps. With your thumbs, go ahead and push up and press. And that forms our envelope. And our back to school insert card is all set. It's really cute. What did you think of this card? Isn't it super cute? You could totally change up the colors of the insert as well as the pen color to really make it your own. I hope that you like it. If you make this card, I hope that you post it in our Facebook group. We have thousands of card making and paper crafting friends who love to motivate and support each other, and we would love to see your creations. I have a link down below for you to check it out. That's going to do it for today. I'm Nick. I'm the Bearded Housewife, and I will see you at the next Back to School Week video. Bye-bye.